Hi, this is Steve from Total Care Health. Wanted to give you a quick demo on how to use the system as an employee so that you can sign up for an appointment as a patient. So you can visit the website at totalcarehealth.com, and up here in the upper right, click for patients. Then there's a Get Started button here to sign in. Alternatively, you'll be sent an email with a link to a login screen to activate your account. Here we're going to have an example of Woody Woodpecker, and we're going to sign in as them. And immediately you have a menu in your upper left, home, appointments, and contact us. You have your information in the upper right corner. You can also set up an appointment here with this button or here with this button. I need a new appointment or a follow-up appointment. I'll get to that in a moment. But first we want you to go in and update your settings and update information about you, your medical history, your allergies and medicines, and if you wanted to change your name, email, or your password, you could do that information here as well. So here I'm going to go down. I'm going to say that I get migraine headaches, and I'm going to update that information. So the more information you can provide here, that's going to help your doctor in assessing any background history for surgical history, social interactions, as well as history of travel outside the country. If you have a primary care provider that they may need to contact, that information can be entered here. Additionally, the allergies and medicines. Do you have allergies? And you can enter all those informations here for medications as well. I take a lot of Advil for these chronic headaches. So once I've saved all that information, I can now go in. I can go over here and I can go to these appointments. If you have any upcoming appointments, you can have those there. And like I said before, you can hit from the home page or from this little plus button that you want to create a new appointment or a follow-up appointment. To keep this example simple, I'll just do a new appointment. So who's this appointment for? Me or one of my dependents? I'm just going to say this is for me. It's going to try to guess where you are. You can where will you be for this appointment? This is for time zone information in the system so that we can show information correctly. I'm going to hit change. Let's say I'm going to be in Orlando. I'm going to be on vacation. Once I do that, it'll show me the information I entered and what time it currently is in that time zone. Next step of the process, I'm going to choose if this is a video encounter or a phone encounter. I just want a typical phone encounter is fine. I'm going to enter the phone number you want the person to contact you at. And when do you want to meet? So you can schedule an appointment for the today, sometime later today, or in next week, or you can wait in the queue right now. I'm just going to wait right now for a doctor. So that's going to make sure I'm going to review that medical history again. Is stored accurately. That information I put in there before, migraine headaches, any other information I put in there, I can update this information here. Let's say I forgot to check my asthma, and I can continue there. Next step in the process is to describe your symptoms. Maybe I'm having a bad cough today. You can also, bad cough and a rash. You can also upload some photos if you need to. You can do those later while you're waiting in the queue, or you can upload them right now. So I'm just going to upload a quick photo. It's Woody with a cough. Continue. You're waiting in the queue. As soon as the first available physician will contact you as soon as possible via the phone, and you can join that session. At any point, if this is an emergency, you need to call 911. Do not treat this service as a 911 service. To wait for the call, you can click Join Session, and you'll see this. Your doctor will contact you shortly. And that's it. If you have any problems or questions, please give us a call. Thanks.